Are you fed up with being in debt? Are you worried about having enough money for your children's college education and your retirement? If so, you're not alone. Regardless of your current or future financial needs, there are ways to reduce or eliminate your debt and make sure you and your family have the money to provide for life's events and a secure financial future. I would like to take this opportunity to invite you to an informative workshop that will prepare you to take charge of your financial future. Through professional discussion and education, you will learn how to reduce or eliminate your debts without spending any additional money or changing your current lifestyle. Why the advice most investment advisors, mortgage brokers, and accountants give us is causing you to miss a great opportunity to accumulate significant wealth. How to dramatically reduce your income taxes 100% IRS approved. How you can reap the upside of the market without the downside risk while both your principal and interest are 100% guaranteed. How new types of fixed investments are designed to increase your tax-free monthly retirement income by as much as 85%, and much, much more. There is no charge to attend this workshop, and you are under no obligation to purchase anything. It is purely an opportunity for you to gain insight into meeting your needs with the guidance of a trained advisor. I hope you'll take advantage of this opportunity and learn how to turn your financial dreams into reality. Come join me at King of Queens Banquet Hall at 128-11 Merritt Boulevard, Jamaica, New York. You can choose from 2 dates, Tuesday, February 26th and Thursday, February 28th at 7 p.m. We will have refreshments and a free raffle. I'm looking forward to seeing you soon.